Welcome back to Enoven Foods. Today's recipe is something we all love, a crispy and fluffy egg paratha. Perfect for breakfast, lunch, or a filling evening snack. Let's get started right away. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup flour, 1 tablespoon oil, and half teaspoon salt. Mix it all well. Pour 1/3 cup water and knead into a soft dough. This layered version makes it flackier and more enjoyable than regular styles. Egg paratha is often eaten with tea for a complete breakfast. Cover and set aside for 10 minutes. In a bowl, take 2 eggs, add half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon red chili powder. Beat well and keep aside. Let the dough rest so it becomes more elastic and easy to roll. Take some dough and roll it out. Brush some oil over it. Sprinkle flour. Use a little flour while folding to keep the layers separate. Then make a cut mark from the center out. Roll into a cone shape and flatten again. Eggs are a great source of protein and healthy fats. Using whole wheat flour instead of maida can make it healthier. Now roll it out like a paratha. Fry it on a pan over medium heat. Always cook on medium heat to ensure even layers. Cook both sides well. Some oil in pan. Then dip it in the egg mixture. Dip the paratha into the egg quickly to avoid sogginess. And fry again in medium heated oil. It's an energy-packed meal for kids and adults alike. You can add chopped veggies to the egg mix for extra fiber and nutrients. Frying both sides until golden and crisp. Your layered egg paratha is ready to serve hot. Do you love layered parathas or plain ones? What would you pair with this paratha, tea or sauce? Let us know if you want a cheese or chicken version next. And don't forget to follow Enoven Foods for more easy and exciting recipes. Thanks for being with Enoven Foods. We will be back with more tasty creations just for you.